If everybody is looking at the exact same pattern, which is this rising bearish wedge, then you have to expect, as we get closer to the pointy end of it, major games are going to be played. Let's zoom in on what has happened just this week alone so far. Starting with Monday, we had our usual Monday fake move, which was to the upside, and then a full recovery by the end of the Asia session. Then Monday UK session and US session, the price only went sideways. Anytime the price is going sideways, the market maker is accumulating. There are 3 hours in the day that is called the dead zone, and that is this highlighted area here. This is where there are no open sessions, and as a result of there being no open sessions, it can be a very highly manipulated area and quite dangerous to trade. So in that period of time, we can see this extension to the downside. The reason for that would be because during this period of consolidation, the market maker did not collect enough contracts. So they send price down just that little bit because that right there triggers pending orders. Now we move into Tuesday in the Asia session and the UK session where they held price sideways again collecting more contracts. And now you can see a repeat here in the US session where the same thing happened. They extended to the downside to trigger pending orders because by this stage, retail was very, very bearish. All of this price action so far is what led me to believe that we were going to get a fake breakout before an actual move in any direction today before news events. I've covered this on my YouTube channel all week. So now let's talk about today. We hit the downside in the US last night and came up to create a W formation, which is a reversal signal around the dead gap zone. That led to our temporary uptrend during the Asia session today, and at 4 p.m. we had a news event that caused this final pump. This was the fake move before reversal that I've been talking about all week. And you can see here that I had the line marked exactly here as my area of where I expected that to reject. If you want to know how I actually figure out these levels, leave me a comment and I'm happy to explain them. On Ethereum, for example, at 1950 was the area I had marked and we got exactly there. Now, this whole move here that created the slow uptrend all day would have had people believing that we were going to hold that rising bearish wedge and we were actually going to move back up and break above it. These fast moves here encourage people to open long positions. And now the market maker has just taken their money away. Unless you're a highly experienced trader, it is not safe to try and trade until after this news event right here because we should expect a lot more games before it happens.